So I'm working on the Titan today. I saw a post on the Titan Tech Facebook page by Team Venom Racing. It's an old post, but the thread came up again about an oil check valve behind the oil filter and oil cooler. So I'm going to be checking that out. I've got some clamps to clamp off the oil cooler lines. I've got a new oil filter skid plate off. I've already removed the oil filter. And we're going to be taking the oil cooler off and checking in behind it. So I'm going to use these guys to pinch out the oil cooler lines, and this is so we don't lose all of our engine coolant. And the procedure for replacing the oil cooler gasket is similar to this. There's a gasket behind there that often leaks. Okay, I've got a 22mm socket to remove the oil cooler bolt. Actually, I should remove the cooler lines first. Okay, I got the one side of the oil cooler off. This clamp broke. I'm having a hard time getting that undone there. So I'm just going to undo this 21mm nut, pull the cooler off, and then hopefully I can separate those. This is a 22mm nut, and this is the oil filter stud. So I'm going to set that aside, keep it clean.